Hello fellow travelers, today we're diving into the luxurious world of Ocean Maya Royale, an adults-only paradise nestled in the heart of Playa del Carmen, Mexico. If you're looking for a getaway that combines relaxation, romance, and a touch of adventure, you've come to the right place. So, grab your virtual margarita and let's explore this 4.5-star gem together. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Ocean Maya Royale offers a range of room types that'll make you feel like royalty. The junior suites are spacious havens spanning about 430 square feet, perfect for couples looking to unwind. Picture this: you're lounging on your private balcony, swaying in a hammock, sipping a cocktail, and soaking in those breathtaking ocean, garden, or pool views. Inside, you'll find all the modern amenities you'd expect. A king-size bed that'll make you want to sleep for days, air conditioning to keep you cool in that Mexican heat, a flat-screen TV for your binge-watching pleasure, and a minibar that's always ready to party. Oh, and did I mention the luxurious bathroom with a separate shower and bathtub? It's like having your own personal spa. But wait, there's more. For those who want to take their vacation to the next level, the privileged junior suites are where it's at. These bad boys are a bit larger, at 540 square feet, and come with some seriously swanky perks. Imagine having your own private hot tub on the balcony. Talk about romance. And if that's not enough to make you feel like a VIP, how about a personalized butler service? That's right, you'll have your own butler to cater to your every whim. Plus, you'll get exclusive access to the privileged lounge, where you can indulge in premium drinks and snacks. It's like being in a secret club, but with better booze. For those who really want to splurge, the suites are the creme de la creme of Ocean Maya Royale. At a whopping 750 square feet, these babies are practically apartments. You'll have a spacious living area to lounge in, perfect for those moments when you want to feel fancy while watching TV in your bathrobe. And of course, you'll still get that private balcony with a hammock. Because let's face it, swinging in a hammock never gets old. Now, let's talk about food because, let's be honest, that's half the reason we go on vacation, right? Ocean Maya Royale doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. They've got a smorgasbord of dining options that'll take your taste buds on a world tour without ever leaving the resort. First up, we've got El Olivo, serving up Mediterranean cuisine that'll make you feel like you've been transported to the shores of Greece or Italy. Imagine starting your day with a breakfast spread fit for a king, then coming back for lunch to indulge in some tapas and paella. And for dinner, how about some grilled meats or fresh seafood? Vegetarians, don't worry, they've got you covered too. And here's a pro tip. Check out their themed nights, especially the tapas night. It's a flavor fiesta. If you're in the mood for some Italian goodness, La Veranda is your go-to spot. They're serving up homemade pasta that'll make your nonna jealous, wood-fired pizzas that are crispy perfection, and risottos that are creamy dreams come true. And don't even get me started on their Italian desserts. Mamma mia! Plus, they often have live music nights so you can serenade your sweetheart while you twirl your spaghetti. For those nights when you're craving something a bit more exotic, Coconuts is ready to take your taste buds on an Asian adventure. Their sushi bar features live cooking, so you can watch the chefs work their magic. And if raw fish isn't your thing, they've got stir-fries and noodle dishes that'll make your mouth water. Oh, and here's a fun fact. They offer sushi making classes, so you can impress your friends back home with your newfound culinary skills. Now, let's talk about the Mayan restaurant. Open only on Thursdays, this place is a hidden gem serving up traditional Mexican cuisine. We're talking tacos al pastor that'll make you want to do a happy dance, enchiladas rojas that are spicy perfection, and mole dishes that are complex flavor bombs. And the best part? They often have live mariachi music, so you can feast your ears while you feast on some seriously delicious Mexican food. But wait, there's more. For those casual nights when you just want to kick back and watch the game, the sports bar has got you covered. Burgers, nachos, wings, all the classic bar snacks you could want. And if you're feeling peckish during the day, the beach bar is perfect for grabbing a light lunch or a refreshing cocktail without ever leaving the sand. Speaking of sand, let's dive into the pools and beaches at Ocean Maya Royale. This place is a water lover's paradise, with not one, but two stunning pools to choose from. The infinity pool is a sight to behold, stretching 20 meters long and 1.5 meters deep. It's the perfect spot to float around and pretend you're merging with the horizon. And if you're feeling a bit more active, the main pool is a whopping 30 meters long and 1.8 meters deep, ideal for swimming laps or playing pool games. But the real star of the show is the swim-up bar. I mean, who doesn't love the idea of swimming up to order a piña colada? It's like a childhood dream come true, but with alcohol. And if you're feeling adventurous, there are even water slides. Because let's face it, you're never too old for a good water slide. Now let's talk about the beach. Ocean Maya Royale boasts a beautiful stretch of sandy beach that'll make you want to quit your job and become a professional beach bum. We're talking about 100 meters of pristine shoreline with crystal clear waters that are perfect for a refreshing dip. And if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, there are plenty of water sports to keep you entertained. Fancy a bit of snorkeling? Go for it. Want to try your hand at kayaking or paddleboarding? They've got you covered. And for those who prefer their feet firmly on the sand, there's always beach volleyball. But the best part? The beach service. Picture this. You're lounging on a comfy sunbed, the warm sun on your skin, and a friendly staff member appears, ready to take your drink order. It's like having your own personal beach butler. And don't worry about packing beach towels. They've got that covered too with their towel service. Now let's talk about activities, because Ocean Maya Royale isn't just about lounging around, although that's perfectly acceptable too. For those who like to stay active on vacation, the fitness center is open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., equipped with all the latest gear. We're talking treadmills, elliptical machines, free weights, everything you need to work off all those margaritas and tacos. And if you're not sure where to start, they even offer personal training sessions. Or, if you prefer a more zen approach to fitness, why not join one of their yoga classes? Nothing beats doing a sun salutation while actually watching the sun rise over the Caribbean. But let's be real, you're on vacation. And what's a vacation without a little pampering? That's where the spa comes in. The Ocean Maya Royale Spa is a sanctuary of relaxation, offering a wide range of treatments that'll leave you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on another day of tough vacation life. Their signature Ocean Maya Royale massage is a must-try. It's like having all your stress magically melted away. And if you're feeling extra indulgent, why not go for the Royal Treatment Package? It's a head-to-toe pampering session that'll make you feel like, well, royalty. The spa facilities themselves are top-notch. We're talking sauna, steam room, relaxation areas, everything you need to unwind. And the best part? The spa is open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., so you can schedule your bliss whenever it suits you. Just remember to book in advance, especially for those popular treatments. Trust me, your future relaxed self will thank you. Now, let's venture beyond the resort, because as amazing as Ocean Maya Royale is, there's a whole world of adventure waiting just outside its doors. The hotel is perfectly situated to explore some of the Riviera Maya's most iconic attractions. Just a short 10 kilometers drive away is the famous Xcaret Park. This eco-archaeological park is like Disneyland for nature lovers and history buffs. You can swim in underground rivers, explore Mayan ruins, and even watch a spectacular night show that showcases Mexican culture. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.